15 nature-inspired baby names with hidden meanings. Welcome to Babynamespedia. If you're looking for nature-inspired baby names with hidden meanings, here are a few names that stand out. Bryn, Ainsley, Home, Era, Yale, Hadley, Savannah, Oliver, Dara, Kai, Marin, Daria, Luan, Talia, Sarah. There you have it, our 15 nature-inspired baby names with hidden meanings. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more baby name inspiration. Thanks for watching.